I'm back with a new recipe today, which is called the Bili Holge or the South Indian stuffed roti. Let me walk you through the ingredients. 1 cup of rice flour, half cup of maida, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, a small onion finely chopped, half teaspoon of jeera powder, 2 green chilies and an inch of ginger, few curry leaves and salt to taste. Let's begin by making the masala paste. Add the finely chopped onions, green chilies and ginger, and few curry leaves. Now let's make it into a fine paste. Add a little water to make it a fine paste. This is how the ready masala paste will look like. Next step is, let's keep the water for boiling. For 1 measure of rice, I have put 1.5 measure of water. That is, for 1 cup of rice flour I have taken 1.5 cup of water. Add salt to taste. Half teaspoon of jeera powder. 1 tablespoon of oil. And now let's add the masala paste. Now let's bring it to a boil. By the time the water is boiling, let's prepare the dough for the outer covering. Take half cup of maida, a little salt to taste. We'll make it into a soft dough using water. For the best effect, use your hands. See, I have kneaded this into a soft dough of this consistency. Now, let's smear some oil to it. I have taken roughly a teaspoon of oil and covered it with oil so that the atta will not become dry. Keep it covered for half an hour. Now the water started boiling. Now let's lower the flame and start adding the rice flour little by little and stirring it continuously so that no lumps of form. After mixing the rice flour completely, your mixture will look something like this. You have to cover it and keep it for at least 5 to 10 seconds so that the rice flour is cooked properly. Once the rice mixture is cool enough to be handled, transfer it into a plate. Apply some oil on your hands and knead this into a soft dough so that you get nice untoned rotis. After kneading this for 2 to 3 minutes, this becomes this soft now. There are no lumps or hard things in this. Let's divide it into equal portions. This much of dough can give into 10 rotis approximately. Now that the inner filling is ready, let's go for the outer covering. Now let's take the dough we have prepared for the outer covering and beat it for a few times so that the gluten formation is there. Now the dough is completely ready. Let's smear some oil on your palm. Take small portion of the dough Spread it as thin as possible on your palm. It should look something like this and there should be no holes in it. Now let's place the inner filling in this and cover it evenly. Cover it completely so that there's no difficulty while you're rolling it. This is ready now. I've taken some maida for dusting. Take the prepared roti balls, dust it in maida and start rolling. Now the roti is ready. Let's cook it on the heated tawa. Now the tawa is hot. Let's put the roti on it. Once you see the small bubbles forming on it, you can flip it to the other side. Be careful. At this stage, you can add a little oil if you want. It's your preference. You can cook it like that only if you want. Now the stuffed roti or the bili holge is ready to serve. Now the masala bili holge or the South Indian stuffed roti is ready to serve. You can serve it with any accompaniment, or the peanut chutney which I have showed in my previous videos would be a better accompaniment with this. If you happen to try it, please tag us on our page, like us on our YouTube channel and subscribe our channel. Bye-bye.